Alright guys, so start by preheating your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then add a cup of chopped pecans, 1/8 of a cup of shredded coconut, and 11 dates. Then blend it to a granulated consistency. After that, align parchment paper in the 8x8 inch square pan, then add the pie crust in the pan. Pat it down gently. Add 10 dates. Fill with milk almost till the top of the dates. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Blend it for about 30 seconds. Add 1/8 of a cup of pecans in the filling, then mix them gently in the filling without breaking them. Add the filling on top of the crust. Bake it for 35 minutes. Let it cool before cutting it. Thanks for watching, subscribe and like the video.